Hi, Margaret. Yeah, because what's happening here is this particular component is loading all the images at once because you wouldn't be able to see the thumbs if you didn't do that. That's why it does that, I'm pretty sure. However, your images are not optimized. This one image here, just this one alone is half a megabyte. Whew. So what you're going to do is go to Google, type in tiny JPG, tiny JPEG. Okay, you're going to go to this site here, tiny JPEG or tiny PNG, both work. And you're going to drag and drop your image up here. I'll show you an example. We take this, we boom, drop it in there like so. The original is 576 kilobytes. The compressed is 105, basically saving 82%, right? Or 471 kilobytes saved, just like that. You multiply that by, 20 images or so, do the math. That's like 10 megabytes you probably save right there. Okay, so mobile stuff. Mobile. Hang on here. Okay, let's take a look at the first thing in mobile is you have this that's going to get stacked, and then you have this blank one right here. Okay, get rid of the blank one, and let me see if I can find an editor here to show you what to do. Because you've got a column small push 7. You need to change that. So let me copy your code into an editor and I'll show you. Okay, I'll see if I can give you the tools, probably the about page. I just want something with a couple of columns. I've got oh, you know what I can do? I can actually create a blank page and copy your code. All right, let's go find this, and then I'm going to suggest or show you what tools I would do myself. This is always going to be a problem in mobile. Okay, that's that column 3, right? We want to get rid of this. So get rid of the small column 3. Let me show you what to do after that, because you need your other column to line up correctly. However, column small push 7 isn't exactly the best one you want. Pick a number, column small 3, and then you're going to do this one here. Off column call hyphen, fat fingers, small hyphen offset. And then hyphen and pick a number, and then it's the number of columns usually. So you want to offset it by 3 columns, because remember we deleted the other div container that was 3 columns. Well, what we're saying is, well, let's make this a 3-column container. Let's offset it by 3, but in mobile, right? So basically what's going to happen is going to push it over by 3 columns, which is great in desktop, but on mobile that would really not work. What it's going to do in mobile is basically not push it over at all. It's going to line everything up in one column, which is 100% wide, and then your stuff won't be pushed over all the way. Padding top style 280, keep in mind that's going to be a mobile thing as well. That's going to affect your mobile is what I should say. So you're going to have 280 pixels of blank space on your mobile. So you may need to create a class and then add that class as well. So let's get rid of that. Go to your site styles, go to the very bottom, and do we have media queries in here? That'd be really, oh, we do too. Max, do. So right in here, so your thing is let's create a class. Let's call it boom padding 280. And then the semicolon, I just gotta get this lined up here, okay. And then we're gonna do, was it margin top? Is that what you had? I can't remember now. Padding top 280 pixels. Okay, well actually let's just grab this, be lazy, cut it out of there, go here, padding top 280, we're gonna paste that in there, padding top, boom. What did I not do here correctly? Oh, look at the semicolon, Lord. And I also need another one of these and another one of these. There we go. Now we're talking. Now we're cooking with fire. This is getting near the end of my day and my eyes are just not working properly here. Okay, so we've created a class. Sorry, I just had to rewrite that for a second. Padding top 280. So now we're going to add the class of padding 280. Okay, so right after the column small offset 3, add in padding 280. And then what we can do is I'll have to copy and paste this down below. We're going to go min width 769 right, and then max width 768. We're going to leave it here. We're going to change this to 50 pixels. Okay, so anything up to and including 768, that padding 280 will have a padding top of 50 for mobile. If it's above 769 pixels, it's actually going to increase to 280. Okay, so I'll send this in the ticket. You can copy and paste it into your site. And I think that's the two biggest issues you're facing. But before we go away, let me give you the tools to sort of help here. We're going to type in Bootstrap. Okay, and then you can play around with your offsets. So go to the CSS portion of Bootstrap, and we're looking for grid system and offsetting columns right here. Okay, so this can basically, if you ever need an example, good place to go. So you type in your column, right? Oh, I did it backwards, you see? So it should be column dash small dash offset dash 4. Oops, see? Gosh, that's why I go to this place. So column. Oh, did I do it right? Maybe, see, like I said, I'm having trouble today. Offset dash 4. So what did I put? Offset dash 3. Column. If you'd have a small here, you want to have a small here. Okay. And I've got offset dash. No, I did it right. Oh my Lord. Okay. So I'm going to send you this style in the ticket so you can use it. I'm going to send you this stuff right here. I'm going to get rid of the style right here. I'm going to send you this div class right here in the ticket, and you can just copy and paste it directly in.